Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Drawing Cartoon 2 app, only way. Tap the plus icon to start a new project, pick a template or blank canvas, then set your canvas size and orientation. Use the toolbar to select brushes and colors, and open the layer panel to organize elements. Save progress often and use the undo button for quick fixes while you experiment with different styles and strokes. The app's core tools give you control and flexibility for cartoons, so start by practicing with each brush and opacity setting. Try a basic sketch on one layer, then add a new layer for ink and another for color fills. Lock layers when finished to avoid accidental edits, and use the blending modes to create simple shading and highlights that make your characters pop without complex techniques. Once your drawing is complete, explore the app's animation tools to bring characters to life with frame-by-frame edits and onion skinning. Duplicate frames and shift elements slightly to create motion, then adjust frame timing for smoother action. Always preview playback to fine-tune timing and transitions. When satisfied, export your work as a video or GIF, choose resolution and quality settings, and save to your device or share directly to social platforms.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.